Hi everyone, and welcome back to the crypto course with everything you need to be successful from trading and investing with cryptocurrencies. And I hope you enjoy these videos. Make sure you subscribe so you get these weekly notifications, and also make sure you comment below as well if there's anything you would like to watch that we haven't created a video about already. So in this video, we will take a look at what tools you need to be successful in the crypto market. So if we head over to the flip chart here, I'm going to show you what tools you need. The first one is the broker, okay? You need to have a broker that executes the trades for you. So it's a little bit like you go to, if you're buying food, for example, there's many options here. But if you go to the supermarket, though they are kind of a broker, you don't go to the farm and buy directly from the farm. Well, you could, but more so usually you do go to the broker, which could be the supermarket, and they offer you all the different products. And the same goes for the crypto market as well. So the broker I would propose, that we use is Binance. And Binance.com is a broker. They don't have a demo account, so you cannot trade with fake money, but you can start with very small amounts with crypto. So you can start with a $50, $100 or something like that, okay? So they execute your trades. Make sure you make a note of that. They execute your trades. They place your trades and investments there. The other one we're using is a charting, all right, software. Yeah, a charting software, that is a where you read the graphs. You've probably seen it before. We looked at TradingView before, so that is the one we're using. So this is TradingView.com, okay? That is the address. You can create free accounts on both of these. It's completely free. And the cool thing with the charting software is here you draw all your lines. So you do your analysis and you place your risk reward ratio so you can utilize the golden rules. So you see, you're probably learning a lot here. I don't know, because now you know what the golden rules are, you know what TradingView is, what lines are, which you maybe didn't know before. So it's awesome that you're learning. So keep coming back here so you can learn even more. So you see here, we draw lines here, so we do the analysis. When you're happy and it follows your strategy, maybe you're using the PCA strategy even. In order to see exactly how much you should be investing, you look at TradingView. When you have found that, you then go to Binance and then you place your orders. So you buy at TradingView. So you do analysis and then you buy it on Binance.com. So you do your analysis on TradingView and you then buy with your broker or sell if that is the case. And the last thing you can actually use with cryptos, because it is a little bit newer market, but something called Coin. So Coinmarketcap.com, okay? Coinmarketcap.com. And that is a list with all cryptos on the planet, almost. There's thousands of them on there. So they list all the cryptos so you can actually see, okay, what cryptos is out there, and they list them in order for you. Bitcoin at the top, and then the list goes down. So let's head over to the computer here so I can show you what different ones there are. So obviously the first one is the charting software. That is TradingView, where you draw your lines, you know when to enter. And then remember, you do an analysis. But then in order to enter, you then use the broker. And the broker we're using is Binance.com. And in the coming videos, I show you how to open these accounts as well. But you use Binance.com. So I'm going to show you how to use that. And then you also have Coinmarketcap.com. And this is very cool because you see all the different cryptos here in order. You have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, Cardano, Tether, right? You have Polkadot, XRP, etc., etc., etc. So you have the list with thousands of cryptos there. If you just master how to use these three sites and you apply a strategy, then you will be profitable. And the best part is all of these are free. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you also learned one or two things. So make sure you comment below if there's anything new you heard, anything new you realized, and also comment below if you are enjoying these videos, and if there are videos you would like us to record that we haven't already. Also make sure you hit the like button and the subscribe button so you can get these videos sent to you as soon as they come up on YouTube, so you never miss any of this information that will make you profitable in the crypto market. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm really looking forward to seeing you in the next.